Hey there, mathematicians. Happy Monday. This is my dog, Tiger. Tiger, say hi. Hello, boys and girls. My name is Tiger. How are you? I just wanted to introduce him to you. I hope that you had a wonderful weekend. And now it is time for number of the day. Are you ready? The first thing that we are going to do is to find out what number is our number of the day. So are you ready? Here we go, boys and girls. The number, let me minimize this, of the day is, like my background? The number of the day is, what is it? 112. So now I'm going to go to my number of the day sheet, and these question marks, the unknown, is now going to become our number. So do you remember what the number of the day is? Ready? Think. Blow it in your hand. Release the number. 112. Now, how many digits are in the number 112? And I ask this because I'm going to write the number in standard form. So how many digits? Tell me. Three. There are 3 digits in the number 112. And what are those digits, boys and girls? Awesome. 1, 1, and 2. Fabulous, boys and girls. So now, congratulations. We have now represented the number in standard form. Standard form is using digits. Now, if you remember, every digit represents a place value. So now, when we look at the number, I understand that there are 3 different place values, and I start from the left to the right, and the greatest, or I can start from the right and to the left. So let's go ahead and start from the right to the left. So what place value is the lowest place value? The least place value? Ones place. So the 2 represents ones. The 1 in the middle represents tens. And then the largest place value, the greatest place value in the number 112 is the hundreds place. Excellent. So this number right away, I know that there's 100, 1 10, and 2 ones. So boys and girls, let's go ahead and represent this number using place value. So 112. Now I'm going to start with the largest place value first, meaning that in this case, it is the hundreds place. So how many hundreds does the number 112 have? 1, right? So my hundreds place, ones, tens, and hundreds. So I'm going to take 100 and place it here. Boom. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Let's take that off. So as you can tell, right now, my number is 100. Now, I go back to my number. How many tens are in the number 112? Right here, the number in the middle, that place value tells me that there is 110. So now I come back and I get 110, place it here. Boom. All right, now I go to the lowest, the smallest place value, and that is represented by the digit 2. And how many ones are in the number 112? That tells me the digit is 2. So there are 2 ones in the number is now 112. So if you remember, there are 10 ones in the 100. In a 10, there are 10 ones. In 100, there are 100 ones in 100. So in order to represent, so right here, I'm going to come over here and let's see if I can represent the number 1. Let's see. Good. Now, it's a little hard, but I'm making it happen. Here we go. Here we go. I'm doing it. I'm representing it on my paper. So I have 100. And then I'm going to change color. And let's see, a green. Now, a 10. And now my 2 1s. So I'm going to change it. Let's change it to orange. 1 and 2. There we go. Now I just represented the number 112 with 100. Here, and I'm going to make this number smaller. Let's try 40. And then 110, the value is 10. So let me go ahead and write it, put it under there. And then I have 2. So the value of 100 is 100. The value of 110 is 10. The value of 2 1s is 2. Now your job, boys and girls, is to finish the rest of the number of the day portions. Write your number in expanded form. Remember, include the values. In word form. Now here you're going to place the number 112 in the middle. And you're going to represent the number that is 1 greater, 1 less, 10 greater, and 10 less. You can identify the number here. In the hundreds chart. And as you can tell, in the hundreds chart, the 120 chart, you do not see the number that's underneath. But I think you can do it, boys and girls. What's 112 plus 10? And remember, you can represent it using the base 10. So if you add plus 10, what number is that going to be? I just gave you the answer. All right, boys and girls, so go ahead and finish the numbers here. And now let's go ahead and find out what number are we going to compare 112 to. So again, I'm going to minimize it. And let's find out. We're going to compare 112 to the number 63. All right, so now I take my number here and place it on the right. The number I'm going to compare, was it 63? Boys and girls, help me out, was it 63? Let's find out. 62, 63. All right, let's keep it at 63 because this teacher is getting old and I no longer remember what the number was. So let's compare 112 to 63. Now, where to place your numbers where they belong? Here you're going to use less than. Here you're going to use greater than. And you are going to represent the number 112 in a different way. Now, I want you to remember, when you decompose a 10, in order to represent the number in a different way, you can decompose. So you have some options here, boys and girls. Are you going to decompose the 100? Because you can. Are you going to decompose the 10? Because you can. The option is yours. Or are you going to decompose both the 100 and the 10? It is you. It is for you to decide, boys and girls. Be creative, challenge yourself, and I can't wait to see the amazing work that you will turn in. I'm looking forward to it. Till next time, see you later, boys and girls.